How to update Emirates ID in UAE Pass, or how to register UAE Pass account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Emirates ID in the UAE Pass, as well as how to register for a UAE Pass account. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open your preferred web browser and simply search for UAE Pass. Tap on the first link that appears. Now tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner and go to log in. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, simply tap on create new account. Now, while registering for a UAE Pass, you need to simply enter your details, which is your first name, last name, date of birth, nationality, gender, and ID card expiration date. Once you've done that, simply tap on confirm. Now you'll be required to enter your phone number and email, and simply also the code sent to your phone number and email. After you've entered your details, the app will ask you to set up a 6-digit PIN. The PIN is used to authenticate your identity and will be required whenever you log into the UAE Pass or approve any transaction. You can simply add Face ID or Touch ID as well. Now, to update Emirates ID in UAE Pass, just log into your account, and here you'll tap on your profile icon and you'll find an option that says update Emirates ID option. Simply click on it. Simply tap on continue with UAE Pass. You'll now be prompted to enter your new Emirates ID number, and you'll need to verify it using the required authentication methods such as fingerprint or facial recognition. Once you've successfully verified your new Emirates ID, your details will be updated in the UAE Pass. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Emirates ID in the UAE Pass app.